Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roll collar easy guide. Begin by gathering fabric, interfacing, scissors, pins, needle, and matching thread so you have everything ready. Cut 2 collar pieces and 1 interfacing piece following your pattern, and mark notches and center points clearly to keep alignment accurate. Stay relaxed, work slowly when clipping curves, and test a mock-up if you want extra confidence before finishing. Next, we cut and prepare the collar pieces for sewing using careful pressing and trimming. Place pattern on fabric grain, transfer notches, and cut 2 outer collar pieces plus interfacing for stability. Fuse interfacing to the under collar piece with even pressure and allow it to cool fully before handling. Trim seam allowances to reduce bulk and clip inner curves while keeping notches intact so the collar rolls smoothly after turning and pressing. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more sewing tutorials and tips from me. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that can help you budget for tools and fabric so you can sew more without stress, and it pairs oddly well with learning practical skills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we sew and shape the roll collar slowly and with attention to detail so the roll looks professional. With right sides together, stitch around the outer edge, pivoting carefully at corners and trimming curves for smooth turning. Grade seam allowances, understitch where needed, and turn the collar right side out through the opening. Press gently with steam to set the roll, then finish with top stitching or hand slip stitching based on the final look you want.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.